Hey, good morning. This would be a tutorial for installing Ubuntu onto VMware INL 17. Okay, um, your product may look different uh, than what's shown on screen here, since I'm actually using the workstation version. But you can actually follow along. Um, so right now, make sure that you have downloaded both VMware Workstation player, player, because that's what doctor suggested, and the Ubuntu ISO. When both of those files are downloaded, you can install the VMware player. Just click along, next, install it. I won't be showing that here because I've already installed it. And then once installed and you launched it, this is how it's going to look. Maybe for you, it's in light mode, but my workstation is in dark mode. Okay, so let's begin. So to start, we create a new virtual machine. Then it asks us for installer disk image. Just going to browse and select the Ubuntu 204.3 desktop ISO image that we have downloaded earlier. Okay, once that has been selected, click on next. Over here, just put on your full name, your username, make it short. And for a password, you also want to keep it short, maybe around 4 to 6 characters, because we are going to be using this password over and over again. So it's going to create a 4-character password, very simple one. Then we press on next. Okay, here you can actually click on next, but since I do not have enough space on my C drive, so as you can see here, my C drive is out of space. I have to change it to my E drive. So you don't have to do this, but for me, I have to actually change my drive to click on next. You don't have to change anything here. Click on next and click on finish. Okay. Now you can see here this black box here, right? This is what's known as the guest operating system. So this is like a computer within a computer. This out here, this is my real computer, while this here is a computer inside of a computer. You can think of it like that. So to enter this computer, we just click onto it, or we can press Control G, and to get out, get back to our real computer, because as you can see, now I'm trying to press Windows, the Windows button. It doesn't work. It doesn't open my start menu. To get back to our Windows computer, we just have to press Control and Alt simultaneously. So now you can see my mouse turn white to color, white in color. So I can press out here. But to get back inside, you can just do Control G or press inside of the virtual machine. Okay, now we just wait for installer to load in. Okay, now here we have the keyboard layout selection menu. So here you just keep it as is. So English US, do not change it. Press on continue. Okay, here um, for um, PC with good RAM, good graphics card, good CPU is 5 and above, have 8 gig of RAM and above. You want to keep this in normal installation. However, let's say you don't have enough space, you don't have enough RAM, you don't have enough processing power. Just click on the minimal installation. Click on this install third-party software and press on continue. Okay, now we have reached this step where it's asking us for an installation type on my. So the installation type says either to erase the disk and install Ubuntu or something else. We can erase the disk. This is not going to erase our disk. It's just going to erase the virtual machine's disk. We can just press on install now. Continue. Okay, here it asks us for the time zone. Actually, this is a time zone. Just going to press on Malaysia here. So you can see that it has changed to Kuala Lumpur. That is correct. Continue. Okay, this asks us for the name and the username again. Just follow along. Let's say for an example, put in my name, my computer's name. Maybe I want something else. Okay, maybe like this. For a username, maybe I want my short name. And for the password, the 4-character password again, short password. It is okay if it complains that it is a short password. Then we want to change from require my password to login automatically. Press and continue. Okay. Right now, the installation process is fairly automated. Don't have to do much. Just wait until the installation finishes. It is finished in its files. Just wait anytime now. Ask us to restart this. Going to put in our desktop. However, um, our desktop would not be fully scaled to the monitor's resolution. So we have to fix that by installing a tool known as OpenVM. So this is our desktop here. Okay. So when this comes up, skip, skip for now. We might do this as a lab later. Skip for now. Don't send any info. So click on no, do not send system info. Click on next. If it hangs like this, given the option to pause quit, just click on quit. Then it says here you're ready to go. Just click on done. That disappears. So to enter full screen mode, you have to press Ctrl Alt and Enter. However, it's not working right now because I don't have OpenVM tools installed. So I'm just going to press on Enter full screen mode here. Okay, now you can see that we have full screen, but however, if for some people the full screen mode didn't work, you're just going to go on and create full screen mode. So okay, if there is any update pop-ups, you just ignore it for now. Press on the cross or press on remind later. System is actually lagging or quit. Okay, now we are going to open a terminal. So you can just press on the show application button here. Search for terminal and enter. Here we can see that currently we have the dollar sign. So we dollar sign means you're just a normal user. You want to change this to super user, is the administrator. So we are going to do sudo -i, enter. Then the password that you have set before, yeah, the short password one. Okay. Now you can see that we have the hashtag or the pound sign since we are in root. Then we can choose the command and make sure before giving all this command that you actually have internet. So right now I'm actually using Unimaps Wi-Fi, so might not be stable. Let's just try it. All of these commands will be given to you either in the WhatsApp group or in the description of this video itself. Okay. And we press enter. It will then load the update. So right now you can see stays on 0. So maybe do not have internet right now. So in that case, let's exit full screen mode. Even though I do have internet to my main machine, I do not have internet Ubuntu. So I'm going to close right now. Let me correct the internet situation, and I'll be now that we have internet connection. So try that again. You see now that we are getting results from the server. Let's just wait until this command finishes execution. Done. So now I can just do clear. Now we're going to install open dash open stop. Okay, then we are going to say -yf enter. Okay, so now everything has been installed properly. Close the terminal and you can shut down. Solution is complete. Thank you.